Hi everyone. Today's topic is how robots holding exchangeable tools. What tool changers are and who make them. Generally, it is a ball lock with various type of quick connect accessories. Several companies provide them. See links in the description. ATI, known for their wide range of customizable tool changers designed to handle both light and heavy loads, in automatic or manual modes. They even offer connectors for high-power electrical tools, sensors, controls, and fluids. Applied Robotics. Experts in the field, Applied Robotics provides innovative solutions for automated tool changing. Schunk. Renowned for their precision and reliability, Schunk's tool changers are favored in various industries. Stably. Stably's tool changers are synonymous with high performance and flexibility. Destaco. A trusted name in automation, Destaco's tool changers excel in material handling applications. Zimmer. Zimmer offers cutting-edge tool changer technology to meet diverse industry needs. Among these, ATI stands out as one of the largest and most versatile tool changer providers. They offer a wide variety of customizable tool changers that can seamlessly handle different automation requirements. These range from handling both light and heavy loads to accommodating automatic and manual operations. Their tool changers even support high-power electrical tools, sensor connections, control systems, and fluid connectors, etc. Please check out their website. You will find their extensive video library for tool change applications. While the concept of tool changers isn't new, it has significantly evolved in response to the demands of automated manufacturing processes. Originally inspired by ball locks, these systems have been adapted and refined for robotic tool changes, enhancing flexibility in manufacturing. Usually they are actuated pneumatically, actuator integrated into tool changer. The need for automatic tool changers has surged, especially with the rise of flexible manufacturing and assembly workflows. Instead of using dedicated machines for each product, automatic tool changers enable seamless transitions between tasks. This approach allows several products to be processed simultaneously on the same equipment, resulting in substantial cost savings. The application spectrum for robotic tool changers is vast. They are commonly used in material handling, enabling end-of-arm tooling, EOAT, for robots. Power tools handling, facilitating quick switches between different power tools. Substance dispensing, perfect for precise and automated dispensing tasks. Testing, evaluation, measurements, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in quality control. Collaborative robots, cobots, enabling manual tool changes for safe and efficient collaboration between humans and robots. In essence, robotic tool changers are incredibly versatile and adaptable to a wide range of industrial applications. What tool changers consists of? A typical robotic tool changer comprises two main components. The master, robot side, this part is mounted on the robot's flange and serves as the control center. The tool side, attached to the tool, this part allows for quick tool changes. Usually it is single master per robot and several tool sides, tools. Tools are stored on tool benches beside the robot with extra storage space, ready to be dropped tool on it and next tool picked from the bench. There is a wide array of tool changers available, each offering a spectrum of connector accessories tailored to specific needs. For integrators, the major advantage lies in the extensive selection, availability, and the expertise these manufacturers offer. At Solid Ideas LLC, our team has a wealth of experience in utilizing automatic tool changers to enhance automation efficiency. Feel free to explore our website for more information on our work. And stay tuned because we have more informative videos coming your way. Please check out our website, solidideasllc.com.